Hello, everybody. I'm sorry. This is Bumblebee Last 35. Coming to part 2, my new set review. Oops. Today we're looking at one of the brand new sets. Lego Marvel Superheroes Dog Ock Truck Heist. I think that's right. So this is a brand new set. I have the hostage collection on it, but this does come with a comic. Here it is. Wow. It took me 5 hours. So, this is the comic book you get. I think that's his girlfriend. So, you don't have to read through it once you eat. You can read through it. So, let's start out with the mini-figures. We got 3 of them. All are awesome. Yeah, you can see he's standing on clear. Looks awesome. So, I think I'm missing another thing. Yes, I'm missing one more thing. Ow, damn, I need that one. Never mind. Alright, so, here we got Spider-Man. Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Okay, I'm sorry, I'll keep silent for the music.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves just...
See, nice face. I think they did a nice job on him. Like the suit. He does come with an accessory, which is web. Yeah, seriously, you get this. So you can, like, do this. Just gonna use it in the truck. So, like, whee! Ouch! Okay. Okay, just, okay. So he does come with something else, but he's right there, but get that later. So next we have the truck driver. If you watch my race car, if you could please do it. I'm gonna make up names for those who don't have names. So this I'll call him Bob McFarland. There he is. This is actually the clone trooper head. The hell is... I don't know. This is the original clone trooper head. The ones with those, I gave the new ones. The Clone Wars, like, standard suit. Getting quite a lot. But nothing. Nothing on the back. And nice hat. So now we get to go to my favorite guy. Doc Ock. Look at him. They got him right. Of course, they did release a couple years ago, but I never got it. Also, Forest Fire has the original. Yes, Forest Fire 101. You rock, bro. So there he is, extended. Damn. But we'll take this off. We'll go over it. So we just take off his piece that connects it. So here's his face. He does come with anime, so here's his face, and he is not looking a good mood. When I woke up this morning, his claws were destroyed, so he had to make new ones. I don't know. See, he has a nice long coat. This is actually the classic Doc Ock. I like the hair, though. I see it on the back. You can see that's where the claws come out, and you can partially see it on the back. We have him smiling, which means his day went well. So, let's go on to the collage. Yeah, this is kind of easy to build. You just need 4 of these pieces, 8 of these, 4 of these, and then 4 of these. Yeah. So if you want to pause the video, we have these pieces. Unfortunately, you kind of need this set because, yeah, that's how they connect. Well, not really, but unless you don't have this piece, you won't be able to build it. So, yeah. Anyways, let's move on to the accessory.
active blood. Can he swing from a thread? Take a look. Oh.
Alright. So this is the accessory you build first. Okay, technically you build this first, but this is the main thing. Sorry you heard that laugh. My brother. I wish I would shut up, I don't feel like it right now. So, this is basically a lamppost with a spider web. This does have a feature. And boy, does it work. So, let's take a look at it real quick. It's a nice lamp, street design. I actually like it. This web is pretty good too. So the main gimmick here is you put Spidey on. You kind of put him on this peg here. Pull it back. Oh god, that didn't work so perfectly. Nope. Yeah, let's try that again. Okay, that's from here over to there. So, yeah. Sure, yeah, that's what we can do. Oh, you can also use the other minifigures. Take Mr. Bennick. Alright, so, time to the main attraction, bro.
In the chill of night, at the scene of a crime, like a streak of light.
Alright, here it is, the main attraction, the bank trail. Da 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 da. Yeah, I'm sorry. So let's take a look at the front. Very nice inside. Obviously in the front, it says, yeah, alright, XS 92394. So, those numbers seem just plain random, right? Well, actually they are. It is plain random, huh? Okay, because usually with LEGO sets, the license plate number indicates the set. Oh, with LEGO set. Duh, sorry. So, the black, it has a nice black texture, which is nice, and looks nice, excuse me. It has some bumper grills, and it just looks nice. We have these 4 tires, looks nice. It says here, locked hatch. It's a secure transport with a money case. Yeah. See this thing here? That goes to play later. We got 4 saves. Yeah, if you press it hard enough, they fly. So let me get these out, just so they don't get in the way. See now there's nothing in there. Yeah, so you see good dance channel lights. So usually with LEGO sets, you think, oh, we gotta rip off the top. Well, not this time. What? What? What do you mean? Okay, see this? Yes, you can put in. There's 4 studs in there for 2 of them. You have to put them in for Bob. I call him Ben because that name just popped up. So we can take Bob here, put him in, and yeah. So obviously, you see these 4 parts. I think that these are for the web. So like right here. Huh. Yeah, I think that's what it's for. So, and also we have these 4 bars, which are for Doc Ock. So yeah, I can actually go. So yeah, there we go. There you go. That's what he looks like. So let's move on to the cases before we move on to the feature. So here we have 4 cases are identical with minor differences in their contents. 2 are identical, 2 are completely different. So we'll take a look at this one. We have gold in there. Damn. So here we have What? Oh, found it. Because two of these come with $100 bills. Yeah. So these two are. This one, however, if you can see clearly, you clearly can't see it, but it comes with two clear crystals. Yes. So the feature with this is we gotta take up Doc Ock, of course. Doc, come on, Doc. Doc. There. So the feature here is you can put these four in. And as you saw earlier, there's a lever on the back. Right here. You push it hard enough, they all fly! And you just push back and you redo it. So, yeah. So, I think it's time to move on to the recommendations. So basically, do I recommend this set? Also, the race car, I would highly recommend it. So overall, I can really recommend this set to any Lego fan. It has great minifigures, great playability, awesome truck, awesome gimmicks, and, well, it's awesome. I mean, you got a Doc Ock figure. Speaking of that, he's fine. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Yay.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves just like flies. Look out, here comes the